How does the token payload function in JWT authentication? Imagine holding a badge that not only identifies you but also shows what you are allowed to do. That badge is similar to what a token payload does in JSON Web Token authentication. When you log into a website or app, a token is created to prove who you are. The middle part of this token, called the payload, carries all the important information about you. It contains claims, which are statements about your identity and permissions. These claims can include your user ID, roles like admin or user, and permissions such as read or write access. They can also hold data like when the token was issued or when it will expire. These claims are divided into 3 types: registered claims, which are standard fields like issuer or expiration time; public claims, which are custom data agreed upon by both the server and the client; and private claims, which are specific to the application, like user preferences. The payload's main job is to transport this data from the server to the client and back, so the server knows who you are and what you can do without asking for your details again and again. Remember, the payload is only encoded, not encrypted, so anyone who gets the token can decode and read the information inside. That's why sensitive data should never be stored directly in the payload unless the token is encrypted. When the server receives a token, it looks at the payload to verify if the token is still valid by checking the expiration claim and to identify the user through the subject claim. It also checks roles or permissions to decide if you're allowed to access certain features. The payload is then cryptographically signed along with the header using a secret key or private key. This signature makes sure the payload has not been changed after it was issued. If someone tampers with the payload, the signature verification will fail, and the token will be rejected. In backend development, this means the payload helps keep things simple and fast. It allows the server to quickly verify your identity and permissions without constantly querying a database. This makes your experience smoother and reduces server load. To sum up, the token payload is like a compact package of your identity and access rights. It carries all the necessary information for authentication and authorization, while the signature keeps it trustworthy. This way, JWT authentication stays secure, efficient, and easy to manage.